Oh gosh, run. I don't know which. Oh gosh. No. I absolutely fail at the PlayStation. Oh gosh.
Shit, do you even know where they're
Oh
at?
gosh. No, come back here. I want to hit you in the face a little bit.
Did you even hit it? Kick it, kick it. Oh, you kicked it. It like internally bleeded.
What's in here?
I don't even.
What is he looking at?
I don't even want to know. Go into the store. Go into the store.
Can't.
I'm going backwards.
Go backwards. Stop.
Shit monkeys.
No. Oh, right there.
Ew, what did you find?
How do I pick stuff up?
Press X. Did you press X? See?
Yeah.
What did you get?
Press A.
Woo!
No. Gosh, dang.
We're supposed to go.
What are you doing, Henry?
Videotaping this.
I think I got it.
Woo!
I don't know it.
I hear it. Ew.
I found it.
What the hell was that thing?
No. Can you go this way?
What type of phone do you have, Faith?
Droid.
Is it the X?
I don't think so.
Is he dead?
Let's go.
What are all those? I saw the demons, they were there. I'm certain, but my friend says he didn't see anything. If that's true, does that mean that what I saw was an illusion? Whether the demon that ate human beings was real or whether it was just some kind of hallucination, what my mind dreamed up. One thing I know for sure is that I'm beyond all hope. Why is all these damn sticky notes on the floor? Woo! Read that, people. Okay. I don't want to sit in the dark.
It'd be fun.
Oh, people have fears. Are you even supposed to go that way? Oh, I see a car. My hand's like shaking. Where are you going?
Run away.
Run away.
Okay, I will after I read this one.
Run away, run away, run away.
No, gosh. Okay, I'll run away to over here. Can you get in?
Nope.
No.
Go
gosh,
into the
no.
store.
I can't.
Oh, is that a window? Crap monkeys, I almost lost sight.
Found me. Oh gosh.
Ew, you ugly bastard. It doesn't have an internal bleeding yet. Ew, it got back up. R2 and X. R2X, R2X, go.
Ah.
Ew, it barfed. There's another one behind you. Hit the
Get
car.
with this pipe. Get with the pipe. Oh gosh.
Ew, he
Run back,
barfed.
Run back.
There's two of them. Watch, you have to turn around.
I found out how you can crouch. Ew, it sounds like it was puking. How do you do that?
Triangle.
Okay.
Okay. Changing the camera position.
I believe this is the street.
Whoa.
Yes, it is. It's a street that I'm going to run up and down on you.
I'm getting a camera view of my light. Die, you bastard! Thank you for kicking him. He felt so freaking wonderful. Yeah, what was that? It sounded like it was deteriorating or something.
Which way should I turn? Left or right?
Right.
No.
Damn map.
This street.
Why, what's wrong with that street?
Wait, oh, you already went up that street.
Did I?
I believe.
Yeah, you're going the wrong direction.
Oh, well, I'll just keep going this way. Find my way. I'll find my ways. Oh, gosh.
You should have seen that moment.
I got it right. Let's go meet Pyramid Head.
What are you guys talking about? Pyramid Head.
What's a Pyramid Head? He. Well.
He can't kill you, can he?
No, he can. Remember?
I thought he.
told you
Oh yeah, I thought you could. I thought he couldn't.
No, it's like 2 or 3 hits. Beat him with his hit.
He's already dead.
Gotta check what my objective is. Okay, so I'm going to inform.
Where's your objective? Objective, like the person.
Oh, I'm gonna lay down like this. I don't think it's going to work out for me. I'm gonna check my map and make you guys mad.
Why? 'Cause where is he? Like, do you know what street Pyramid Head is on?
It's not what street, it's the apartment here. In here? Hey. let's
You
go.
press X to like go in there.
Let's try down here.
There's a zombie. I saw him.
Ah. Found it. No. Come on. Ooh, magical.
This is creepy. Ew, did you go inside? Is there like stairs somewhere in there or whatever?
Oh gosh. Can I go this way? Don't go in that way. No!
Like the door. The
Not
blue.
going to that door yet.
Why, where do you have to go?
Going to... Dang! I hate police stations. They're hard to control. What time is it at?
8 minutes.
Okay, so we went 12.
Yep. We're going 12.
Gosh dang it.
Why is it locked?
Because it hates me. And I believe we have to find it. This game is making... No! It's making me mad.
Where's the key at?
Probably with Pyramid Head.
Damn it. Where's he at?
In the apartment.
Are you serious?
I'll check down here. Come on.
Are you sure you want to?
What's this? Can I go here?
I think you can. Turn around.
Go.
Oh,
I don't want it.
it's garbage.
So we can still use it. He can probably eat it. Make it so he smells bad that they won't go to them.
Shit
I'm
monkeys.
scared.
Look exactly where's he at.
I'm terrified. Items. items, 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 items,
You press
please.
start.
Start. Start. Damn. Start? Oh, health is bad.
Oh, shit.
Use.
I don't have a flashlight, do I? No, you need that. Shit. What's that for?
Okay, stop moving your head. Oh, gosh dang it. I'm gonna save. Save? Gosh
Oh, shit, Monkey said I didn't have it on the screen.
dang it. Okay.
You have to have like a memory card.
Do you guys even have one?
Nope.
Wait, then how are you going to beat the game?
I don't know.
Start.
It's like almost 12 minutes.
Okay, I made the health good. What time is it?
11:50.
Okay, get ready to stop. What was that?